Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, giveaways, and promotions. Did you know that travel is a $7 trillion industry which has been experiencing unprecedented growth? Did you know that Sherry Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited is your one-stop travel store for resort stays, rail, sail, and stay vacations, cruises in the Caribbean, Alaska, Europe, China, Australia, and the Middle East? Did you know that cruising is the fastest growing segment within the travel industry? Did you know that we currently have Friday and Tuesday departures from Montego Bay, Jamaica? Oh, yes, we do. We anticipate as much as 5 additional departures from Montego Bay before the end of 2017. Now is the best time to start putting your cruising thoughts and plans together, and we are here to help you make that a seamless process. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited has 2 very special sailings planned for 2017. The first is the departure from Montego Bay aboard the Thompson Dream doing the Pride of Panama sailing, and this is on April 4th for 7 nights. We will visit Puerto Limon, Costa Rica, Colón, Panama, Cartagena, Colombia, and Santa Marta, Colombia. Bring the family together. Make this a family reunion like none other. You know what's best? No visa required. Just bring your funnest self. There is something special about August 1 and August 6 for Jamaicans. And this year, we really want to take to the seas on our first annual Emancipendence sailing. Yes, you heard right, Emancipendence. The beautiful MSC Divina will be the floating city that takes us to San Juan, Puerto Rico, Phillipsburg, St. Martin, and Nassau, Bahamas for 7 nights of absolute sailing adventure, fun, and bliss. Let's discover the beautiful Miami on day 5 before boarding the MSC Divina for 7 nights, 8 days of unforgettable fun.